Vessel A was a small general cargo vessel sailing at night in a busy area in the Baltic Sea, with good visibility and a speed of about 10 knots. The S-band ARPA radar was set up in off-center, range 12 nautical miles. The X-band radar, however, was on standby. The master and a lookout was on the 8 to 12 watch. 5 minutes before midnight, the second officer came to the bridge for his night watch. During the handover, the master informed him about the vessels which were astern and advised that they were being overtaken by a number of them. After the handover, the master left the bridge. The second officer was aware of a vessel overtaking them on the port side, but was not aware of Vessel B also overtaking them on the starboard side. He switched the radar between centered display to off-center several times. The lookout was on the port bridge wing. The second officer was monitoring the ARPAS band radar when he noticed a target astern on the starboard quarter. It was very close. This was Vessel B, and it was 1 minute from collision and only a few cables away. The officer turned around and looked out through the aft starboard bridge windows. Vessel B was almost on top of them. He tried to call the master but could not reach him. He then switched to manual steering and altered hard to starboard, which was towards the overtaking vessel, and the vessels collided. Soon after the collision, the master came onto the bridge. He noticed that the engines were still full ahead, and the rudder was hard to starboard, but the vessel was not turning. He reduced the engines to 60%. Vessel A was not moving. Vessel B had struck Vessel A on the starboard side in way of cargo hold 2. After a while, Vessel B moved astern and the vessels disengaged. The master contacted Vessel B, but the OOW on Vessel B responded that they had only been involved in a near miss. After a while, they admitted that they had been involved in a collision. The master saved the VDR. However, only the X-band radar was interfaced with the VDR, and as that radar was in standby mode, radar screenshots of the developing close-quarter situation had not been recorded by the VDR.